Here's how to motion track in Blender with just one marker in under 3 minutes. Press the plus icon and open up Blender's motion tracking workspace. You only need these two windows. Click open and select your footage. Match the resolution and frame rate to your footage and set the view transform to standard. Click Set Scene Frames and prefetch the footage. Control left click to place a marker on a single point of contrast on the thing you're tracking. Press Ctrl T to track the selected marker forward until the end. Open up a new window and set it to the 3D viewport. Go to Front View and add a camera. Press numpad 0 to enter camera view. Go to Solve. Under Scene Setup, click Set as Background. This sets your footage as the camera background. Then open Geometry and click Link Empty to Track. This creates a track object in your scene. Move the object forward until it roughly matches the distance of the tracked point. And bam! You now have a point in 3D space that follows your track. Go to Frame 1, set the 3D cursor to the track and add a text object. Align, rotate, scale, and move the text to where you want it. Go to Edit mode and write something. Set the fill mode to none and add some depth. You can also change the font. Set the render engine to Eevee and go to Render Preview. Add a new material, set the surface type to Emission and make it white. Then duplicate the text object and move it back a bit. Make the material a single user copy and make it black. Set the fill mode to back. Increase the offset and extrude it a bit to frame the text. Go to Render Properties and set the background to Transparent. Next, set the 3D cursor to the text object and add an empty object. Parent the text to the empty and the empty to the track with Keep Transform. Now the text moves with the track and you can use the empty to adjust it. Go to Output Properties and set an output folder for the animation. Then press Ctrl F12 to render it directly as a transparent image sequence. Or go to the Compositing workspace. Enable Use Nodes. Open up a new window, set it to the image editor and set the image to Viewer node. Then disable Backdrop. This looks nicer. Press F12 to render the first frame. Make sure you have the Node Wrangler add-on enabled. Add your movie clip or image sequence. Add an alpha over node. Plug your footage into the top input and the render layer into the bottom input. The text is now composited directly on top of your footage. Finally, go to Output Properties. Set the file format to FFmpeg video. Set the encoding to MPEG-4. Set the output quality to high quality and press Ctrl F12 to render the animation. And here's the final result. Remember, a single point track only knows X and Y, it can't detect depth. So if the object moves closer, farther, or rotates in 3D, the text won't follow. That's when you need real camera or object tracking. If you want a clear breakdown of the whole motion tracking workspace and a full camera tracking workflow, check out my playlist below.